Have you ever felt like someone was saying one thing, but their body was telling a completely different story? Unspoken communication, body language, forms a massive part of how we interact. Today, we're diving into decoding nonverbal cues. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn key signals to help you better understand what people are truly thinking and feeling, empowering your social interactions. Let's start with the face, our most expressive canvas. Microexpressions, fleeting glimpses of emotion, can reveal genuine feelings like surprise or anger, even if quickly suppressed. A raised eyebrow might signal curiosity, while a tight-lipped smile often suggests polite disagreement. Pay attention to eye contact. Too much can be confrontational, too little might indicate discomfort or deception. Next, consider posture and gestures. An open posture, with uncrossed arms and an upright stance, typically indicates confidence and receptiveness. Conversely, folded arms or leaning away can signal defensiveness, disinterest, or insecurity. Fidgeting, like tapping feet, often betrays nervousness or impatience. Remember, clusters of these gestures usually provide more accurate insights than a single movement. Finally, let's talk about proximity and touch. Personal space varies culturally, but generally, standing closer often signifies intimacy or a desire for connection. Touching, even a light tap on the arm, can build rapport or exert subtle influence. Interestingly, our brains process these nonverbal cues up to 60,000 times faster than spoken words, highlighting their profound impact. So, remember, observe clusters of signals, consider the context, and always look for deviations from a person's baseline behavior. Understanding body language is a powerful tool for empathy and communication. If you found this quick guide insightful, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more tips on mastering social intelligence.